Oh, friggin' rice, boys. Check this out. Beautiful day out in Inwood, boys. Holy suffering. Friggin' Stinkfinger showed up today out of the blue willy-nilly. I give him a stern talk, something terrible. But check this out, boys. We got a friggin' giveaway in Inwoods. I've been doing a bunch of guesstimations in accordance here. Let me set you up here. And when you're doing trapdoor work, you need to do like guesstimations. So I take this little guy right here with me. It's the friggin' cigman, eh? It's the friggin' cigman. So we friggin', you know, and then we can measure, and we just like do the function. All right, you got all type of the functions. So we got 2.234 meters away from the wall and stuff like that. So rather than drag out the tape measure and stuff, it'll go hundreds of feet too. Let's see how far we are from the wall over here. Might have been dicking around though. We got her in some sort of a, there, that wall you can, I don't know, you might be able to see the dot. .268 meters. I had it set up for feet, but looks like I changed it back or something. I don't know. But feet's better. If we could have it in feet, that's better. But yeah, so what we decided we're gonna do is I've been telling these dicks, you know, they want, oh hey Pug One, make a movie about our thing or whatever. So I tells them, I was like, okay, but you know, send me one so I could try it for me, and then send me one so I can give it away to the audience. So check this out. This one's got the camera onto it, so you can like take the picture. Oh, I need to measure here. Oh, this is, you know, for whatever reason, if you're a contractor or if you're a home handyman that really likes to measure stuff with lasers, well, this cigman here, this is probably for you. So we're gonna give this guy away right here. Remember, we gave away the friggin' the Vitoman. Oh my goodness, Arthur loves it. He loves it big time. But so yeah, so we'll pick a dick. We'll pick a dick to give this away, but we don't want to get too carried away with all yammerings of the nonsense on that. But check this out too. We got a bunch of good stuff in the friggin' cycle bin here. We got a Garmin and a friggin' What's-It and a Samsung's and a couple Apples. Got a couple iPads there. Got one of them guys. A couple Samsungs. This one started taking a charge and stuff, so that was cool. Oh, but yeah, so we're doing different guesstimations. We got a job to do tomorrow, so we're getting everything loaded up and stuff. Just dicked. Probably not gonna be able to sleep tonight because I'm gonna be so exhilarated. I get to play trap there tomorrow. We're just gonna go lay some pipe, no big deal. Not really that big of a deal, but hey, you know what? If you're a big dumb goof, just show right up in Inwood. We're never willy-nilly. It's not even to be on. I don't need any notice or nothing. It's cool. But yeah, we're just gonna bury some pipe in the ground. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, you're probably gonna want to like and comment anyways on the movie. And you know, I might be able to let bygones be bygones, but hopefully you haven't said terrible things in the past, or else disqualified. Eh? This is only for the 95%ers. 5%ers no good. But yeah, so, oh, check this out too. I don't even know if I showed you a friggin' reel to reel. A friggin' reel to reel in there. What kind is it there? It's a Mega Control. I don't know, I'm almost thinking that there's supposed to be some sort of a cover or something over this part, maybe, I don't know. But I don't see, I mean, it says Phillips on the reel, but oh, that's good. Yeah, oh yeah, we just busted off a bunch of the buttons. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't really say. One of the switches is broken, a couple of the buttons are missing. It's got the rewind feature or something, I don't know what that is, but Magno control. It's got a power button. I don't know. But yeah, anybody's ever saw one of those before, that's pretty cool, right? I actually wanted one of those when I was younger because I thought they were cool and I played drums and I wanted to like record my drums on the set, you know what I mean? But I was just sucked really bad. But anyways, I got a bit of a cocking around to do. But yeah, if you want to leave me a comment, right? You know, not just on this video, but you know, the more you comment, the more you engage with the movies, the more apt you're gonna be to win some stuff. I got other shit too, so I'm telling these dicks that, you know, I'll do a review on your shit, but you gotta send me one to give away, and that way everybody gets awesome freaking laser measuring articles and stuff too, right? Yeah. Oh, hope you're happy. Oops.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh, great. Hopefully it rains, and then Buddy's,
I saw the sky, I'm like, man.
Buddy's yard will just be all squishy and stuff. It'll be great. I got the tractor all loaded up there. We just got to throw the freaking mats on the trailer, and then we go. Together and I just went, wow, this is like just flimsier as fuck.
Ah.
Snuffleupagus back into the thing and jump out and fuck off. Oh yeah, hopefully it starts just pouring. That would be awesome.
And it said in the forecast it's not supposed to be until Friday.
Yeah.
But
They lie though.
yeah.
They like don't even know, and then they're just full of shit.
Yeah.
Oh man, look at this. How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Not too bad.
Do you want it here or do you want it in the backyard?
Yeah, in the backyard, it's good.
Backyard?
Okay, we'll see you in the morning.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
See you tomorrow.
Come on, speed up, bud. Let's go.
Sent me. Sent me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you did. Soon. friggin' sunted me, boys.
He did.
Wish I had my own sunter.
Mm.
Could have hooked that sumbitch up.